guys, my name is Revant and you're seeing my channel Time Pass with Experiment. This is the fourth part in the series, that is Fun in Lockdown. The previous parts is given in the description. You can test that and see the other videos. And if you don't want to miss the further videos, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon beside that. Then you will get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. And without any queries, let's get started. The materials required to do Periscope are a cardboard sheet, a CD, any paint, and a tape. On the cardboard sheet, you have to draw a figure like this. I have given the lengths. You can follow the same. I have the copies of them, and now we will start making the periscope. Types of rectangles: one 5 into 3 centimeters, another 15 into 3 centimeter, and 2.5 into 3 centimeters, and make copies of that. Cut 2 squares from the CD with length 3 into 3 centimeters. Now you should start fixing your rectangles. I fixed one rectangle like this with a brown tape. See, you can also use any other adhesives. After fixing these two rectangle pieces, you have to fix this CD square like this. You can use double tape or Fevikwik, or you can also use brown tape. I have stuck these two rectangles to the periscope, and now the skeleton of the periscope is ready. I have even fixed the other mirror here. The mirror should be fixed in 45 degrees angle, then only it will be possible. After that, you have to stick here two rectangles and cover it with the other figure. See, now our periscope is ready. Now we have to do just touch up with the paints. When object is here, we can see it from here itself. But do you know how it is working? It's very simple. When object's reflection falls on this mirror, it will get reflected and it will be formed on this mirror also. So we can see it by sitting from here itself. This periscope is used in submarines. When submarine is here, it will the people here will be seeing their enemies or the other submarines here by not coming out of the submarine, but just sitting inside it and looking at here. Even this periscope is used in forts in olden days. Soldiers and kings inside the fort can hide themselves behind the walls and see their enemies through the periscope. So these are the users of the periscope, and it is very useful and it follows the principle of reflection of light.
If you see it directly through periscope, it will be clear, but I'm not able to capture it through camera, but somehow I managed to capture a bottle through it.
See, these are my apartments, and now I will show it a small portion of it through periscope.
Thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and before you start making your periscope, hit the like button below this video and give your valuable comment in the comment section. Bye bye, meet you in the next upcoming video.